It's Arbitrum season, the Arbitrum grants are finally live, and today I'm going to talk to you about 5 different opportunities on Arbitrum where you can earn up to triple digit yields. We're farmers over here, we love the yields, and so let's get straight to it. For those of you who follow me on Twitter, you will know that I did tweet this thread basically talking about some of those opportunities. So go and follow me there if you want to learn about them straight away. We're not going to waste any time. We're just going to jump straight into it. Now, this is going to be part 1. We're going to have a part 2. And in part 2, we're going to show some of the other strategies that are available right now. Not all of them are available because not all of them have launched. But of the ones that have launched, here are some of the amazing ones. So we're going to start with Trader Joe. Trader Joe is a decentralized exchange. And on the decentralized exchange, you can provide liquidity, and you can provide liquidity for various different assets, including Arbitrum ecosystem assets, for example, Pendle, Grail, Arbitrum itself, Trader Joe, GMX, and you can just go to the side and just see like what some of these APRs are. We're talking 277% for Pendle ETH. We're talking 200% for GMX ETH. Like really incredible Grail ETH, like 250%, and these are incredible yields. So yeah, go to Trader Joe and you can basically provide liquidity there. I won't explain how to do that. I'm assuming you guys already know how to do that. But yeah, some very good triple digit yields. You know, even if you just want to go for ETH USDT, again, you can do so 100+% there as well. So really high yields there at the moment. Next, we are going to talk about, we'll talk about Rysk next. Now, Rysk is an options protocol that allows you to buy or sell put or call options. And you can do this on Arbitrum at the moment. It uses USDC. You can actually get paid in ARB incentives for actually buying some of these options. But what I'm going to talk about is the vault, basically the back end of these options, the liquidity for these options. It comes from the dynamic hedging vault, and essentially you can just deposit USDC into this vault and you will earn ARB rewards. Now, I don't know what the APR is for this at the moment. They are going to release the ARB on Friday and every Friday for the next few weeks whilst we've got the Arbitrum ecosystem incentives going. But, you know, it looks like this vault is going to fill up max capacity fairly soon, and so, you know, maybe we'll see what the APRs are. I'm expecting them to be double-digit yields as well. Number 3, we're going to talk about Perennial. Perennial is a perpetual exchange. It lets you long or short. Now, currently, because of funding rates, you can actually get paid massively just to short. And as long as you can hedge that yourself, that's great. Now, essentially, the more leverage you use, the more rewards you get. And you can see in the bottom left corner, at 50x leverage with $1,000 of ETH, I am going to be getting almost 900% APR in ARB tokens, which is absolutely insane. Now, obviously, I'm not going to do this because I'll probably get liquidated in like a few minutes. But I mean, even if you were able to do this at like 4x leverage, still, you know, almost triple digit yields in ARB. And as long as you can hedge yourself against this, fantastic. So yeah, really amazing opportunity here. And this is Perennial. Of course, you do get paid. Just look at the funding rate, because sometimes, for example, if we look at Bitcoin, the funding rate is negative for both sides, but you know, it doesn't really cost that much. You know, you're talking 3% a year when, you know, you can be earning pretty nicely when it comes to ARB incentives. So have a look here and see what you like. You can also earn if you kind of deposit into the vault. So you can see the blue chip vault here with estimated ARB rewards and the current APR like being super high. Likewise on the other side, 77% in ARB rewards. So yeah, very decent APRs for being on the earn side as well. So yeah, liquidity side and the trading side, Perennial is a good one. Next, we're going to talk about one of my favorite ones. This one's Camelot. Camelot is a decentralized exchange, and again, they have huge incentives coming here. Basically, if you go to Camelot and you go to the pool tab, which you'll find on the top, you'll be able to see all of the different pools, and the ones that have this purple icon are the ones that are going to be incentivized with market maker rewards. So essentially, these are the ones with ARB rewards, and so you can see USDC ETH 80%. You know, Euro USDC, well, this is ST Euro by Angle Protocol, 80%. Incredible yields. You've got ARB, ST Euro, 115%. Even USDC, double-digit yields, like a piece of cake. And you can go through some of these and see kind of which ones you like. Look at this, ARB, USDC, 165%. mad yields, like triple digits across the board here. So yeah, go and have a look. I think we're going to see TVL like rise massively. Like currently total TVL is what, 70 million. This is going to be 100 million plus. Like there's no question about it when you've got yields this good and there's like free money on the table. So yeah, have a look at Camelot. Grail is their governance token, by the way. But yeah, some very, very, very decent triple digit yields here again. And lastly, we're going to talk about Stella. Stella is this platform that lets you lend, where you can lend vanilla ETH for 17%. Of course, the ARB rewards are the majority of that, as you can see on screen. You can also lend USDC directly as well. So you can earn double-digit yields there. But for those of you who are a little bit more sophisticated, you can actually leverage borrow and earn very, very insane yields here. So have a look here. You do need to get a good understanding of how this works. But if you are able to participate with a higher leverage, then yeah, please bear this in mind. Of course, the other element that comes from this is that when you're borrowing these LPs, the range kind of does matter. So the tighter the range, the higher the reward. So yeah, just bear that in mind. But otherwise, yeah, Stella is another one. So we've got 5 different opportunities here. We talked about Trader Joe, we talked about Rysk, Perennial, Camelot, and Stella. These are just a few of the different protocols that have these Arbitrum incentives going on at the moment. Very, very soon, we will have a variety of other protocols, the likes of GMX, Pendle, TimeSwap, Frax even, and many others, all incentivize the Arbitrum ecosystem. Arbitrum is the place to be right now. There are some crazy, crazy rewards. So yeah, that's all I wanted to cover. We'll be back with part 2 in a few days. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll be back in the near future.